All right, so another trade breakdown for CAD CHF. So last week, Sunday, what we saw on CAD CHF was previous candlestick was it's again bearish. We have this reaction on the support and resistance area of interest, right? So we have this one, two, three, four bearish indication. Daily time frame was um, bearish, right? So if you count this as the lower high, lower low, we're still on the range. But for me, I like to count this one the really price action, right? If you count this as a higher high, we have a lower low, failure to break once again. We got another break, right? Um, and then this is what we saw on the um let me see 4 hour. Yeah, this is what we saw on Sunday. So this daily candlestick, once again, what am I anticipating is the 4 hour have a shift of structure already. So on the pullback, which is the bullish pullback on the lower time frame, like 15, 30 minutes, um, 1 hour. I was expecting that this daily closure of bearish was having a daily week pullback, right? Because we have this one around, we have this on the lower time frame. So if we have a shift of structure, we have a shift of structure, which is the confirmation of the um, continuation of the bearish. So shift, we have a bearish on the lower time frame. Um, bearish. Then we're gonna. That's what our um model of entry, something like that. So if we go dive in on the 4 hour time frame, so 4 hour time frame have what I said. This is lower high, lower low. What I'm looking is the lower high of the 4 hour time frame, and then on the lower lower time frame, I am anticipating that this one is kind of bullish to have that pullback, and then all I need is kind of shift and then bearish engulfing. So let me see here if we have the that criteria. So all right, so this is the Sunday around London session or Monday London session. So what I'm looking at the lower time frame in the 15 minutes was the shift of structure, which is this is the higher high, higher low, higher high. We have a break once again, and then this is the still nothing structure. So another break. So what I'm anticipating is like a bearish engulfing. So I'll wake up around on 5:30. I took this trade. Stop loss above on that on this accumulation, and then 4 hour. So this one is still on the trade. So kind of anticipating or waiting for potential 4.9 or 5 hour trade. So yeah, beautiful, nice trade. Once again, we have the week pullback of the weekly time frame, something like that, to continue to go down. Daily is bearish once again. Always trade for the lower high of the higher time frame. 4 hour once again. This is the lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high, and the lower high. We always look for shift, which is 15 minutes have a shift of structure, shift, and then bearish confirmation. Yeah, pretty nice trade. Continue to hold.